Hey YouTube, what's going on? Okay, so I'm getting ready to get the tank put in, and I gotta do some mods. I didn't realize this tank didn't come with a vent, so I gotta cut the hole for the vent, and then I also have to cut a hole here and put a tube straight down into the tank for the return for the diesel, and then I'll clean up some of these scuffs, repaint it. There was a dent from when we got it, so I'll clean it up just a little bit more. So the old tank inside was completely rusted out, so I had to buy a brand new tank. So this is a brand new tank. Get the skid plate put back up and get it installed, and I can drill the hole for this and create the sorry guys, create the vent hole and then put the hole in for the return for the fuel, and then pretty much my 33-gallon tank should work for as a diesel. I'll seal everything up, make sure that it's not leaking, and then after that I gotta get a hold of Justin Anderson and get his fuel system. I'm gonna run the stainless steel fuel lines down to his fuel system, and then there you can see the stainless steel lines for that they did the brakes on. There they are, kind of a little better picture, I guess. So that's it for now, and then I gotta get the transmission transfer case and doubler in. They're all sitting right there ready to go. Unfortunately, I just don't have the strength anymore to lift this stuff up, so I got to get help, and right now with that corona crap going on, it's just making it a pain. But anyways, that's what I'm doing. And then I have a stupid project that I have to do right here. My lawnmower engine blew up, so I'm rebuilding the motor. Turned out to be a head gasket from overheating. So that's pretty much it. That's the update right now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my blog. Make sure you check out my YouTube videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.